haven't been filming just because of well, weather. It's been pretty windy and the sun comes and goes. And then also I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram, Maxie hurt herself somehow. They said that neck injuries could happen at any time, but it could be, they call it like a loaded gun. It could have been something where she hurt herself a while back ago, but there was no side effect right away, and then her just making a movement, could be easily as to shaking her head or just jumping down, could have triggered some pain. So I took her to the vet. The vet just gave her pain medication, obviously, because they don't know really what to do. So I did some research on YouTube, you know, and I didn't know they had chiropractors for dogs and horses. So I took her to a chiropractor. He treated her a little bit with just some lizard shot. He's doing push-ups for you guys. Anyways, so I took her to the chiropractor. He treated her, but he told me that she could possibly have a disc injury. I'll get close up to these while I talk to you. Like that, you're just not staring at them. I'll tell you a little bit about this. But yeah, so he said that it could be a disc injury and it could just take, you know, some time to heal. You know what? And Maxie's stubborn. Maxie wants to follow me all the time. She wants to be with me and climb on the couch and jump off the couch. So I don't know how to deal with that. I might have to get a cage and have her lay in it for hours so that she can have, I mean, she just lays on the couch, you know, so she can lay in a bed in the cage same way. It's just that she won't be jumping off of it. So I don't mind her coming outside because she's not getting on anything. If she sunbathes, that'll be good heat for her pain. But yeah, I just don't want her constantly on and off the couch while I'm not around, you know. And if she hears anything, she's gonna get off the couch to go investigate. So it's just better if she's laying on a bed in the cage. Yeah. Okay, so that's what that is. And then I've been thinking, I got new wood, guys. Let me tell you a secret, which maybe you guys already know. So let me just inform you. If you go to Home Depot and you go to the lumber section and you say, hey, do you have any clearance lumber? You go and you'll find pieces of wood. See, it looks like nothing is wrong with this, but it has slight defects, and because it has slight defects, they'll put it at 70%. So I bought 3 planks, I guess I'll call them planks, right, of 10 foot for $8, and they cut them for you. So I just said, oh, just cut it in half. So that gave me 6 pieces to work with for $8. That was a really good deal. The only thing I regret is not getting stain to stain them so they can stay pretty. So I think I'm gonna do that at some point before they start getting dingy. But then I was just messing around here of how can I give it more height without having to, because if I wanted it this tall, it's like stairs. If I wanted it this high, I would have to have so much bricks or cinder blocks, whatever you want to say, to get it that high. So I remembered I had these dingy looking little tables on the side of the house. I put them away just in case in the future if I wanted to use them. So I decided to stack it up on there. So I think it looks pretty good there. I'm liking how everything is looking here. We'll see how the plant, I've had plants here before. Can't remember why I moved them. It could be because in the when fall's coming, I think this gets way less light. I think that's what it was. But now we're in spring. Spring is right around the corner. I don't know when it's the first day of spring, but it's around the corner. So there's been, you know, I've had this one over here, kind of like more towards this section, and she's been doing good. I moved her now over here, but you know, should be fine. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I do need to repot some things, so I might do that with you guys. And I have an idea, a big project coming up. So I'll be dealing, at least it's big for me. I'll be showing you guys what that's gonna be soon. eventually in the next video. So yeah, just go ahead and enjoy the potting, and that's it. The repotting. And okay, I'll see you in a bit. I want to apologize. You hear sanding. Right when I'm gonna start recording, the neighbor starts to sand, and I'm just gonna do the video because you know you guys been waiting. So look, he stopped. Maybe he'll won't do it again. Before I start repotting stuff, I wanted to show you these pots. They do come with a little catcher that matches. It looks exactly the same. I really like these. I got 12 of them for $14, and so they came out to be $1.25 each from Amazon, and this is a 6-inch, and I just really like them. They feel very sturdy, and yeah, I like the color, so I think I'm gonna be getting more of these. They do come in bigger sizes, but then that means, you know, you get less. But yeah, I do want to get bigger ones as well, so I'll be using some of these for some of my repotting. So I did start repotting a few. I'll show you those after we're done potting. This one I'm putting here temporarily. It's not like a forever thing, only because this pot is really small, and this one is just a little bit bigger, but I would like a bigger one like this. So for now, I'm just gonna put it in here because I don't have currently a bigger pot that I would like to put that in. At least I took a quick look and I didn't see anything. Okay. Hold on, guys. Such a beautiful succulent. This is a type of ghost plant. Don't know which one. Okay, let's see how this is gonna go in here. I'm gonna push it down like this, and then I'm gonna put some soil in there. Like that. How am I gonna get to the side? I'll just have to like put it in there and then tap it so it all falls into place. I still need more. There we go. Okay, so that one's all set. Let's see which other one I can get now. The next one I'm going to repotting is this one. I think it's a type of pachyphytum. I don't remember exactly what. Very compact in there. If there were to be anything in there, it would be very hard to see. And there is debris though. So let's see, I'm trying to see how she would sit. There's another piece that I would like to put in here, but first I have to get it ready. It's gonna be hard. Let's see. How can I put this one? Maybe this could be the front of it. So let's see if I do this one first. It's gonna be very hard for it to say. And then this piece here. They look like, some of them remind me of little palm trees. Let's see if I can hold it. Okay. It's still gonna fall because it needs more soil. Okay, there you go. Now I'm gonna put these other ones in there. Some kids walking home from school. You know, I don't know if these are exactly the same. They look very similar, but I'm not 100% sure that they are. Keep it there. Let's see. All kinds of noise today, guys. All kinds of noise. Okay. Hold steady. You guys been watching the Succulent home? I know I just started talking so loud out of nowhere. I would say me and the Succulent home, Melissa, are BFFs. We talk very often. And she is a beautiful person. Beautiful, beautiful person. Yes. I like to talk to her about many different things. We have lots in common and close in age. And she has a daughter close to my youngest age as well. So yeah, we have a lot in common. We both love the Lord. So yeah, you guys should check her out. She's trying to get, guys, there's different perks to YouTube for YouTubers. When you reach certain subscribers, you'll be able to do so much more. So she's really trying hard to get to 10,000 subscribers so that she can do stories. And it's just, stories are good because sometimes you want to just get on there and quickly notify you guys of something. That is a very quick way of doing it. You know, there's no editing and nothing. It just instantly goes on, you know. So if you guys follow me and you don't follow her, I would totally appreciate, and she would totally appreciate, if you guys follow her. I'm going to water these, clean them up, and show you guys what they're looking like. Look at how cute they look. Don't they look so cute? I think they look super cute on here, and I think it would be great just to have a whole row of those pots on there. And I think that's what I'm going to do. Really pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will put the Succulents home information in the description box so that you can go subscribe to her channel and help her get to 10,000. Bye guys. Have a blessed day.